Hello, I'm folate, also known as vitamin B9. I support chemical reactions happening in your body. I get activated in the liver. When two hydrogens are added to me, I loosen up and become an active form that can join chemical reactions in the body. Once I'm activated, I can carry 1 carbon molecules. I've explained this clearly in another video, so be sure to check it out. In that video, I showed how I carry methyl groups to help regulate DNA and histone proteins. This time, I'll explain how I carry methylene groups to play an important role in DNA synthesis, and how blocking my work can stop cells from multiplying. In other words, the mechanism of certain anti-cancer drugs. On this channel, I always add a bonus tip at the end of every video, so please enjoy until the end. Now, I help make pyrimidines, which are the building blocks of DNA and RNA. Do you remember how pyrimidines are made? Here's the part I'm in charge of, the step that changes DUMP into dTMP. What's the difference between DUMP into dTMP? That's right, dTMP has a CH3 group here. But in reality, DUMP already has a hydrogen, so what's really happening is that a CH2 group is being added. And carrying that methylene group is my job. Let's look at the big picture. When DUMP becomes dTMP, you can see me stepping in. Zooming in, I hand over my methylene group. I also lose electrons together with hydrogen. That's why I become DHF instead of THF. Be careful, this is easy to mix up. Now, the anticancer drug 5-Fluorouracil works by blocking the enzyme used in making dTMP. 5-Fluorouracil attaches to thymidylate synthase as if it were DUMP. This stops dTMP from being made. Without DNA, cells can't multiply, so they die. What about methotrexate? How does it work as an anti-cancer drug? Methotrexate stops me, folate, from becoming activated. As I said earlier, in the liver I need to get 2 hydrogens added to become active and carry 1 carbon molecules. Methotrexate binds to my enzyme in my place, so I can't move on to the next stage. If folate isn't activated, I can't give my methylene group to DUMP. In the end, that blocks cell growth and division. You can see more details in my other video. Today we talked about how folate carries methylene groups for DNA synthesis, and how the anti-cancer drugs 5-Fluorouracil and methotrexate block this process. Likes and subscriptions give me the motivation to make the next video. See you in the next one.
For quick, powerful reviews, this is the only channel. Don't forget to subscribe.